Another day, another story. I am Anil from Anil's Tech World. The shocking truth about AI's impact on jobs. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on social media, AI has transformed many industries and aspects of our daily lives. However, there's growing concern about the impact of AI on jobs and employment. This video explores the potential effects of AI on the job market, and what it means for workers and businesses. From automation to skills training, we examine different strategies for addressing the impact of AI on employment. 5 keywords: AI, jobs, automation, employment, skills training. Welcome to our video on the shocking truth about AI's impact on jobs. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the potential impact of artificial intelligence on the job market, and what it means for workers and businesses. From automation to skills training, we'll examine different strategies for addressing the impact of AI on employment. Join us as we delve into this important and timely topic. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on social media, AI has revolutionized many industries and aspects of our daily lives. However, there is growing concern about the impact of AI on jobs and employment. Effects of AI on employment. AI has the potential to automate many jobs that are currently done by humans, from manufacturing to customer service. This could lead to significant job losses in certain industries, and businesses are already adopting AI to automate tasks and reduce labor costs. Strategies for addressing AI's impact on jobs. To mitigate the impact of AI on employment, there are several strategies that businesses, governments and individuals can pursue, such as investing in skills training, creating new types of jobs, and exploring alternative forms of work, such as job sharing and remote work. Skills training. One key strategy for addressing the impact of AI on employment is investing in skills training. This means providing individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to adapt to a changing job market. For example, workers in industries that are being automated can be trained to work on and maintain the AI systems that are replacing their jobs. Creating new types of jobs. Another strategy is to create new types of jobs that cannot be easily automated. This includes jobs that require creativity, empathy, and human interaction, such as artists, therapists, and social workers. Alternative forms of work. Finally, alternative forms of work such as job sharing and remote work can help address the impact of AI on employment. This allows for more flexible work arrangements that can adapt to changing job markets and help maintain work-life balance. Thanks for joining us for the shocking truth about AI's impact on jobs. While the impact of AI on employment may be significant, there are strategies that businesses, governments and individuals can pursue to mitigate this impact. Whether through skills training, creating new types of jobs, or exploring alternative forms of work, we can take action to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared fairly and equitably. Thanks for watching.